Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So in our last video, we introduced you to our highly accurate and very beginner-friendly uGenesys trend indicator, and we highlighted the basic features and saw how we could use it to identify trends in the market, okay? Well, in today's video, we're going to go a little deeper. So here's a breakdown of what we're going to do. So first, we're going to add the indicator to the chart, and then we'll be using the Euro USD chart, and we're going to focus on 3 time frames: the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour time frames, okay? And for each time frame, we're just going to identify the trends and explore the potential profits that you could make with this indicator, okay? So let's start off by adding the indicator to our chart. So let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and here we have our uGenesys multi-trend, okay? Let's hit OK. And so first off, if you look over here, you can see that the overall trend of the market is down, alright? So all 4 time frames here are showing down, okay? So that's how we know the overall trend of the market is down. So let's take a look at the intra-trends over here for our 15-minute chart. So if you take a look right here, you can see we have a bullish alert at this section, and right here at this section you can see the value, the opening value here was 1.063, and the market went all the way up to here, and this trend ended at 1.0695. So that's a movement of 63 pips right there, okay? So right here we have a bearish alert, and you can see the downtrend here started at 1.0711, and it went down all the way here and closed out at 1.0673. So that's a movement of 38 pips right there, okay? So now let's take a look at our 30-minute time frame. So here's another bullish signal right here, and you can see it started at 1.0867 and went all the way up here and closed out at 1.1019, okay? So that is a movement of 152 pips, alright? That's a great uptrend right here. And remember, to get this indicator, you can click on the link in the description. And here we have a bearish signal, and here we can see the downtrend started at 1.1022, and it went all the way down, and it closed out here at 1.0903. And so that's a movement of 119 pips, alright? And finally, let's take a look at our 1-hour time frame. And here we have another bullish alert, and we can see this one opened at 1.0872, and it went up and we closed out at 1.1005, and that's a movement of 133 pips, okay guys? So that's a great uptrend right here. And here we have another bearish alert, and we see our downtrend. So we see this one here, it opened with a value of 1.0672 and went all the way down and closed out here at a value of 1.0545. So that is a movement of 127 pips right there, okay guys? So you can see from all 3 time frames there, the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour time frames, we can see we got some very great movements there, alright? Some profitable moves, and a lot of pip movement right there. So we know that this is a very, very accurate indicator, guys. And it's very easy to use, very beginner friendly, alright? So we really hope you can try it out and get some profitable trades, okay? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator, alright guys? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.